Good day, everyone. Today, I will share my service experience using Total Quality Management. The service experience I will talk about happened at Pinong's restaurant. My experience happened at Pinong's restaurant during a busy meal time. I went there to eat with my friends. We ordered grilled chicken, rice, and drinks. From the moment we entered the restaurant, the staff greeted us with a smile. They were very approachable, friendly, and respectful. They assisted us right away and guided us to our table. Our food was served on time, and the staff kept checking if we needed anything. Nothing went wrong during our visit. Overall, the service was good, smooth, and satisfying. I noticed three things related to total quality management. First is the customer focus. Pinos shows strong customer focus. The staff listened carefully to our orders and made sure everything was correct. They treated us politely and made us feel welcome. Because of this, I felt valued as a customer. Second is the employee involvement. The employees work well together. They help one another, especially during peak hours. This teamwork made the service faster and more organized. The third is the process efficiency. The service process was efficient. From ordering to serving the food, everything was smooth. There was no long waiting time, and our orders were accurate. These total quality management practices increased my satisfaction and made me want to return to the restaurant. Next, I look at the four I's of services. First is the intangibility. Service cannot be touched, but it can be felt. In my experience, the friendliness and good attitude of the staff made the service feel high quality. Penongs makes service visible through smiles, greetings, and good communication. The second is inconsistency. Service can vary depending on who serves the customer. At Penongs, the staff showed consistent behavior. All employees were polite and friendly, which shows good training and standard service. The third is inseparability. The service and staff are connected. The good service I experienced was because the staff personally interacted with us well. They were always present and ready to help. The last is perishability. Service cannot be stored. Penos handles this well by having enough staff during busy hours. This prevents long waiting time and customer complaints. Here are two training topics for employees. First is the employee training suggestions. First, employees should continue training in communication skills so they can maintain good interaction with customer. Second, training in handling complaints is important in case problems happen in the future. These trainings should be given to all service staff, especially new employees. Second, the change management strategies. The purpose incentives. Management can give rewards to employees who provide excellent service. The redefined cultural values. The restaurant should continue promoting respect, teamwork, and customer care. Thus, exercise authority. Managers should guide and monitor staff to maintain service quality. The chef burden of change. Management should support staff by giving clear rules and proper tools. The last is recruit champions of change. Senior or experienced staff can act as role models for good service. This activity taught me that total quality management is very important in service organizations. Good service does not happen by accident. It happens through proper training, teamwork, customer focus, and continuous improvement. My experience at Pinong's restaurant shows how total quality management helps build quality service and customer satisfaction. Because of this experience, I learned how good service can create a positive and lasting impression on customers. That is my service experience through the lens of total quality management.